And last but not least, we still have one more interesting case study to cover, and I want to invite Laura Zukowska-Supe from SWIMBE, Latvia, to join me on stage. Welcome, Laura.
Thank you.
You can go here. So SWIMBE is yet another interesting case study of companies that we could say that are born circular, but can you tell us about your business idea?
Hello, everyone, and thank you for having us. It's a great honor to be here today and tell you more about what we do. And while I will be explaining about SWIMBE, you will hear that I'm tackling all the problems previous speakers already mentioned. For example, SWIMBE is making only custom-made garments. So you can come to us with your dream swimwear idea and we will make it real. So we don't have ready-to-wear collections, so we are not overproducing and dealing with the possible waste. That's one thing. And we believe that if you have one garment that is made to you specifically, it will serve you long-term and you won't buy new swimwear every year. So again, that's a plus. Also, we are using fabric that is made from regenerated plastic waste. And we are printing it ourselves, so we are buying fabric only in white, again, to save resources. And that allows us to deliver any design client wants. So this is a plus win-win situation. We have a zero waste manufacturing process. So if we have some cutoffs, and of course there are cutoffs, we make different small headbands or scrunchies, or if there is some damaged fabric in the process, we can make nice bags, unique, one of a kind. So we are not throwing anything out, and we are looking at different possibilities how to save fabric and other resources that we are using. And also we are working together with scientists. Now, as far as we know, we are the only brand out there that has been testing our garments in laboratory on microplastic pollution. Yesterday there was a discussion about indicators that we need to measure our impact on the environment, and then today we heard that there are many companies doing greenwashing. They are claiming to be sustainable or circular, but there is no baseline, no indicators. We are not that kind of company. We know our baseline, we know how much microplastics are coming out of our garments, and we are collecting it. So we are going one step further and tackling many problems at our end.
Great. And I definitely want to come to you for the custom-made swimwear. I just want to show off, for example, this one for the audience and also for the online audience because they are so wonderful. Now, SWIMBE is also a social enterprise, which means that you use your profits to solve socially important issues. And in your case, it's waste management and environmental protection. But why did you choose this model of a social enterprise?
We are a social enterprise, and in Latvia it's a new thing. It started in 2018. And we are happy to be part of it because for us, social enterprise is a quality mark. Again, it means that we are recognized by the state, that we are trustworthy, that we are transparent, that you can really rely on what we say that we are delivering, that we are not circular washing or greenwashing, just claiming to be circular or sustainable. So it is new thing, it's just bringing awareness to clients, but still we are happy to be part of it because for us it's a quality sign, and that means that also we are not working in a gray area. Many textile and fashion industry workers do. They don't pay salaries enough, they don't pay taxes, they don't care about environment. For us, it's the other way around. We do everything the best of our abilities, and this social enterprise status allows us to be recognized and by the state and by the clients that we are really trustworthy.
That's very interesting. Now, we have a lot of influential people here in the audience, both here and online. We've got business leaders and policymakers and representatives of the public sector. Is there something special that you want to say to them, or is there something that you might need in order to go forward with SWIMBE's endeavors?
I would have many things to say
probably.
about what we heard today, but just a couple of them. If you are a small enterprise and social enterprise and filling all the boxes, actually you are less appealing to investor because you can't earn as fast as normal company does. So I would like to see more support for companies like us, small ones, startups, SMEs that are delivering all the goals already. We don't need to make any shifts, but we need the support to scale. And now we see in coming this Green Deal and a lot of money to existing big companies to shift, but not so much support for smaller ones or sustainable ones already from the day one. Then again, I would like to see more of these indicators and quality signs all around the EU, because as mentioned also yesterday and today, each country has their own policies, has their own indicators. Somebody is measuring something, somebody is not measuring anything. So this is something that needs to be tackled. And finally, also support to the scientists, for example, to really tackle this microplastic pollution, because there are some sporadic events all across the EU, but we don't see systematic approach to this. And we are a very small company in Latvia, and we can't do everything. But if there would be a EU level policy on this, we could really solve, for example, microplastic, or at least start solving it, because it is everywhere. So just a couple of things, but there are many. And I hope that all of these policies and roadmaps will really be implemented and help us to be better sector. Yeah.
I'm sure your messages were heard loud and clear, and you can, of course, continue the discussion later during lunch. But thank you, Laura, very much for coming over here to Helsinki.